You are on fire.
Girls there, man. That girl is strong, bad. Yeah, man. See, oh man, the press down, sunny neck just turn up like a rectangle.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Oh, that's crazy for me. You see that? That's crazy. Whoa. I know, right?
That was amazing.
Show us this.
Hold on. I have something else to show you.
Okay then.
Hey guys, one more thing. We need one more. Hold on. Hold everything. Just wait for this. I've been planning it. It's gonna be good. I'm really excited. Look at this. Hey!
What?
Your turn. Let me see your arms. Now sing it This is a song. Sing it together. Sing along.
That's crazy.
Children of all ages, the second half of Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey, the greatest show on earth, will begin after a short intermission. Thank you.
You want to eat something? Get something to eat first. You want snow? Cotton candy? You want snow cone? Huh? Which one of these cups you want? That's a cup. The line? The line. It's the line. Say hi to the camera, Mama.
Gonna get some food.
Hey guys, I know I didn't do any intro or anything, but welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. It's telling me that I have only 1 minute left to record, so I may have to use my phone, but we are here at the Circus with Tamania and Tristan. Tristan didn't want anything, so we're about to get something for Tamania right now. We're at the snow cone area. Yeah? And it's
Mom, do it.
what?
Post on social media. Post on social media, Mama.
Alright guys, so the camera memory card dead, done. So I'm gonna have to take that off. So now I'm recording with my phone. So we're at the second half. We were very, very late. And Shireen was supposed to come in, but Shireen kind of vexed because she was waiting forever. Took a whole bunch of wrong turn and stuff, which I understand why she'd have upset because she's there for a while, but she's not here. So we're here with the kids. So again, Tristan didn't want anything. Guys, guess what happened a while ago? So a while ago we go outside from Submission and Tavana took up stuff to buy. Tavana took up some stuff what she wants. And I realized that I left the wallet. Huh?
When we go,
I left my wallet. I hope I leave it in the car. Leave the wallet.
home, toy in the cat wawa.
We'll see. So I'm hoping that the wallet is actually inside of the car. But when I have the wallet for me. But the card that I used to pay for parking actually just dropped it inside of my bag. So that's how because I told her, I said, I can't buy because I left the wallet in the car. But then luckily my friend wanted it. So that's how we actually got something. So anyways, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. Just not over the top on your phone the whole time. Like, that's so crazy. But so far it's fun. We missed like half an hour of the show. But with what we consider so far, it's going good. So I like that. So stay tuned. I'll see what else I can record.
Whoa.
Like what? You sit there, say country thing now.
It's like intense. What kind of guitar?
Woo! Yes! Woo! What? Ah! Yes, girl. Hey, hey. Okay. What? She's stronger. What? Okay. Did you see that, Savannah? That said some what? That's sick. What? Woo! What?
He's about getting high, getting wide. He walks like this. Between you and me, he's a bit of a sign of face.
What?
Maybe you downloaded some new dance moves you want to show us? Okay. Hey, we got a DJ over here. Yeah, right on. How about a dance contest? Who versus me? You ready? Game on.
Player one, let's dance.
She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. And she dances like she's never danced before.
Player two,
Pull out the dogs out!
Woo! 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 Woo!
round two,
Bring it down!
Hey, hammer time. Hey, 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 hey.
bonus round unlocked. You're on fire. Wipe out.
What? What? What?
That can't be fake.
To ride the world's tallest unicycle!
What?
4.6 feet. That's more than 3 stories high. That means he'll be setting a world record right here, right now.
Ain't no way.
West.
That can't be
No,
right.
this
It's
is.
not.
Yeah, probably does.
It's all good.
There's no way he can do that. It's like it's done.
Interesting. Come on, you first.
No jump, no jump.
Oh my goodness.
Ain't no way. If he falls off,
Don't jump it off.
Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. I should watch it.
Oh! Oh my God! Woo! Yes! Yes! Woo!
Now let's rock this place out!
Oh, I need to fall down.
Whoa! Okay. Oh! Woo! When you go down.
You think
We seriously don't know what for what. It's like too much is on one time.
Please welcome Skylar and the Ringling Rocket!
I see you, Skylar. Shut up. What?
Experiencing the same G-force as an F-16 fighter jet.
Let's keep it going as Skylar prepares to fly. Run away with us with the greatest show. Run away with us with the greatest show. Run away with us with the greatest show. Every day, we sing your song. Every way, where you must belong. Someone around so much more to be. So much more with me, you and me.
Clap, Kelly. Clap, clap, clap. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woo!
I would do that. I would do that. I would do that. I
What's that? Seriously, so many things happening right now. Like, let's go. Tristan, we go. When you need come and get your nail. Guys, it is done. I wonder if we can find my career, which what we park. Come on, let's go. We miss.
I got the backpacks, guys. Half price. Fight it once, fight it twice.
I'm not no super bad. I'm going to peek right now. Tavania? That's which night car. Find my way back. Is it true? It's the. What may I put on indicator for? Sure. You see the girl will have one on the head and one round the neck?
Yes.
We want to kill all the girls strong so.
Mama.
But still when they put the camera up on the woman's head, we see that head are pressing. This is a strong woman. All in neck, like in neck.
My mama, she'll go like this and then she starts smiling.
But then in neck like I say, if be like a rectangle, like he just turn up so stiff.
Crazy.
But that show was amazing. But so sitting at one time, I like, me not know what it look like. Where am I looking? Tavania drop asleep. Tavania? Baby girl? Sky?
BBG.
Tevi?
Mama, the way you say baby.
Tevi?
The way you say baby girl
Savannah.
is BBG.
Tevi. Put the thing over your head, mommy. Take off that and put the thing over your head.
The way you say baby girl now, mommy, is BBG.
BBG. Mistake. People, I enjoyed myself. Like we missed half of the show and I was I'm sorry sir.
You missed like a quarter of the thing.
Yeah. Let me tell you guys what happened. We woke up extremely early. Tristan been ready. Tristan ready like maybe an hour ago because I'm sending go bed and stuff. I was coming Tavania's here. And Tavania here took almost an hour and a half, right? And then Shireen said she do reach the place by around 10:30. When she called me, they picked them ready and everything, but me have her or up and get ready. Me almost like 10-15 minutes ready. On top of that, when I finally come out of the house, like she called me to tell us I'm still come. Me did tell her a little bit of lie, to be honest. Me never ready yet. But like me the rush and everything and the turn, like every time I make on turn, like I miss one and I have to keep on a reroute.
You missed it like 5 times.
And people are playing music yesterday. And the place was like literally the first turn I missed was literally out of my yard, like because I was focusing on thinking that I'm gonna be taking the highway. End up turn and a couple of people said I'm gonna block my way when I was supposed to go straight. Then from this side, I just keep on in the traffic. So by the time I reached down, Shireen was already mad and I couldn't even find where I need to park and where I need to go. So that was like a lot, right? I reached, I understand thoroughly she was mad. She waited for a long time. She was mad. She didn't want to stay anymore. So she sat down for over 40 minutes or so. So me understand. I'm upset that I actually took that long and she had to wait. So me kind of feel that, you know. But it's not like I wasn't trying. It's not like I'm deliberate to try to be late. But she never coming. But many kids them at first, they never really so happy because they never realized what had happened and why Shrina stay. Tristan was in his phone. But let me tell us in the last half, Tristan forget about the phone. Because Tristan was,
my phone was just at 1%.
it was that's why I start watching. But guys, and then the other thing with Tristan, him don't tell me say I don't want to eat after we go to the door get food and something. And then we come in and don't want food. Me enjoy myself. I'm not saying no lie. But I have to stop record for a while. Oh, next thing, carry the camera. I have so much things in my hand. I found my purse, by the way. Purse was literally on the seat to drop out from my seat because I wanted to drop out somewhere else because I was rushing after my reach. And like, it was just a hot mess to reach there, to be honest. So the camera, I need to go buy a memory card. Like right now when I go home, I go buy a memory card because I second time have all of the battery, change the battery and everything, and then no time I only have a certain amount of storage remaining. So I'm gonna get another memory card. So the rest of it I had to do it on my phone because the camera just did in terms of storage. So yeah, I need to get that. So majority of them I have to do it on my phone. But guys, I could not record everything. If I record everything, it would take a long time, and I would basically miss a lot of things because there were so many things happening. The people, it was nice. I think I watched Circus one time in my life, and that was back in Jamaica when I made a picnic. Maybe like maybe 14.
I'm not really interested in circuses, though.
You're not into circuses?
No.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't like it.
So Tristan just going like him too cool for everything. Yeah, you know that preteen year when you feel like saying
I'm in
too
my
cool.
era.
Yeah, you're in your era where you feel like you're too cool for everything. You feel like SpongeBob
I'm in my
SquarePants.
teenage arc.
Which you're not even a teenager yet. Just turned 10 and thought I was in a teenager arc. Come on, so people see your front of face. My sweet baby boy. I'm too cool for everybody now. You know that era. You know, imagine in a circus I play I watch phone. Can you imagine that? But the one conky messy in my forehead. But him I watch phone. Like who does that?
For not having a hobby of watching. I never mind.
What happened?
Nothing.
Yeah, and then Tristan, I feel like Savannah was following you know, to try to be cool. I never want to enjoy this something. But then Savannah gets up and start dance and start make nice and clap and something. Have fun. I'm going home. I miss the morning to the bathroom real quick.
You
Real
can't
bad.
have fun without having fun.
But yeah, guys, talking about that, I forget to tell you now. First, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and like and comment and share. Anyway, today's Saturday. I took off from work, but yesterday, this is the one. I don't know if I hear my cough. You can cough since we started recording. I had to go pick him up from school yesterday because as Mr. Soy Africa. You need a coffee for you now?
For some reason, like.
You need a coffee.
Listen to me. Oh, I remember one time you said Tristan had to be like blowing up his nose like anymore, and as soon as you said that, you were like,
I am mine. So yeah, guys, I know he was sick from the Thursday, right? I gave him some medicine and everything, and when you know Tristan sick is because he not eat food. Knowing how Tristan is a foodie, Thursday evening Tristan coming from school, he did not want to eat no food. Like that was crazy. So someone know he really sick. Anyway, I gave him his medicine and stuff like that, some medicine, and you know, do my doctor thingy. Our work schedule kind of changed.
What they're doing over there, they're doing something to the church.
Oh, my bill. Our schedule changed because Troy started working on Fridays now.
Look at him trying to get out. You saw that Honda?
Uh-huh.
Like I don't know how you like.
The busy road.
Yes.
Our schedule kind of changed now because Troy is now working on Fridays, and that's the Fridays he normally would take the kids to school and they're home, so he would normally be off on Friday and Sundays. Now he's off Sunday and Monday, so that kind of put a little bit of strain if anything should happen, which is exactly what happened. Shree normally help us out in the evenings, pick them up from the bus stop and keep them until on Fridays, right? So on Friday now, because I know that Tristan wasn't feeling well and Savannah got a cough, I don't know if it's the spring and allergy. I don't know what's going on, but almost everybody's sick because when I went to grab them, everybody is sick. Anyhow, Friday morning, when I know it was time for them to go to school, I texted him to find out how he was feeling. He said, "They still I feel horrible, Tavanna feel the same way." But, you know, as Jamaican parents, we just send them go to school the same way. Kind of go to school, right? Anyhow, he said he was feeling bad.
Jamaican parents do too much.
Maybe we do so much. If we go to school, once if you're not dead, if we go to school.
Alright, but what if I was in a coma and I'm still not dead?
You go to school.
You
go to school. Once you can't chat, you go to school. And if
how
you
am I
can't,
gonna talk in a coma?
you can't hear we. You know, you're not coming, you can still hear. So you'll be alright.
I'm knocked out for.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. If you're not dead, you're going to school. So anyhow, then go to school. I'll stop interrupting me, little boy. So we went to school and as I said, I text him and stuff and he's saying seriously. I said, okay. Again, because I know that Tristan is still gonna be a rowdy person if he's sick, unless he's really, really sick, you know, just itch up in the bed and stuff like that. So based on how he sounded, I said to him, alright, if you still feel really bad because he's saying chest hurt, then cough and then chest hurt and your throat was hurting, right?
Yes.
So he didn't have a temperature or anything. So I say if you continue to feel bad or you feel like you cannot go through school like that, have them give some to the nurse, and if it's anything, have them call me. So said, so done. He went back to the nurse. He went to the nurse. The nurse called me. I said, the nurse, all right, you know what? Give him some Tylenol and watch him for like an hour. And if he still continue to feel the same way, then I'll come and get him. I feel like it's almost an hour upon it. That I feel like Tristan go open in the classroom, watch the phone or watch the time or something, and come back down to the nurse at least 1 hour. That's it, though?
No.
Eh?
No.
That's it, though.
No, I didn't.
Because I feel like it's exactly 1 hour I'm reaching. I was literally talking to we're setting up for like this. Friday was crazy. Friday we had overtime people and it was just a lot.
No, but listen to me.
And
so I came back and we had specials like store and library. I was still feeling the same way, and because like if I just leave and then come back after like 2 seconds, they're gonna think I'm like faking, but I still felt it, so I just waited. I just waited for a little bit. Like I wasn't watching any clock.
I feel like you didn't watch your clock.
No.
So while I was there trying to set up and because I know I wasn't gonna be coming to work, or I know I wasn't gonna go to work today, right? So and then there's a whole bunch of overtime and stuff that be coming in that was gonna come in today. So bless you, baby. So but, hey, stop it now. It's in a record. Stop sneeze, man. Sure. So
Mama, you're like 10 centimeters
May I
away.
drive, Anna?
You're like no.
May I drive, man? So
You're like 10 centimeters away from the truck.
May I drive? I wanna think drop off no package room. I don't know. That's what I wanted though. Anywho, guys. What did I say? Yes, I'm there and trying to go through some stuff with the other supervisor that was gonna be there, because I know that today was gonna be crazier than what happened yesterday. So, anywho, while I was there trying to help this guy set up, the phone ring, and it was the nurse saying that Tristan came back down there and you know, feel good and da da da. So I said, alright, bet I'm gonna come and get him.
Never say that again.
Can
How?
So I said, alright, I'm gonna have to come get him. So I tell the youth, say, oh, I'm gonna have to go grab my kid because he's not feeling well. And then if I'm gonna pick up, this is like what, some minutes after 2? No, it was like some minutes to 2. At the time, no, because I left there like almost 2:30, so it couldn't be.
Then how was it going to be?
So this was like some minutes to 2. So I said to him that I'm gonna have to go early, unfortunately, and grab the kids. So my boss came down there after that, and I told him that, you know what, I'm gonna leave like around 2:30. This was like maybe like 2 o'clock now. I said I'm gonna leave around 2:30, go grab the kids and stuff, so at least we can still help to set up. Because I really felt bad knowing that
You didn't
work.
leave immediately?
I did not leave immediately. But see, I know I did. So, but then I'm continue to help out just to make sure everybody was set, because I know it was gonna be a crazy day today. Went and got them, and when I went there, like so many people came for their kid, like everybody's sick. So knowing that I had today planned out for this event, I kind of feel some way. Can I say them sick? Because just Tavanna was also coughing, and then me feel like maybe I come down with something too. So like that was crazy. But anyhow, long story short.
Come down for more.
Long story short, we made it to the circus. Again, sorry, so Shireen was not able to be there because she got mad. But Shireen, I'm really sorry. Had fun.
Beat you, mama.
And now we're home. Which was your most favorite part? Well, you never even watched everything. Well, what do you like the most out of what you saw?
Might have to be the bikers.
Yeah, they were good, right? The stunting bike thing.
Yeah, because I was like, Spider-Man, do a flip.
You never did that.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I literally shouted it.
Listen, the unicycle. I don't know if you saw the unicycle went down on the rail. Like you literally go up on the rail and like slide down, like, and I'm like, that was crazy.
Demon time.
I love the unicycles. I love the fact that I don't know if you remember. You were watching that part when they were on the rope and they ride the tricycle and it.
Yes, I saw that.
That was crazy. The people on the head, the Ethiopian girls, that girl is strong, bad. Yeah, man. See, man, that press down, sunny neck just turn up like a rectangle.
That woman, she didn't even know the camera was on her. Like she's over here stressing, like.
Oh my God.
Look, woman.
One penny head, one penny neck, like woman strong. Mm-hmm.
Oh, the camera's watching me.
That's crazy. There was another part. Oh,
never say that.
Did you see the first part, man? When the man did like he had a can was underneath there and he was like trying to balance.
Yeah.
And he went all the way up and he did a second one. Like that was crazy. Like there was so much. You know what I liked the most, guys? It was the behind the scene. Like while they were performing, you had the people like setting up the stage.
The robot.
I think that was I don't like that. I feel that was like
the dance battle was kind of boring. Though.
It was
boring. The fact that they have a robot dog is crazy.
No, but I think that was exciting.
No, but mommy, not the dance at all, but like
the fact that the robot.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I feel like I love the behind the scene where while they were performing, you had the people just changing up the stage.
Yes, that's
like that was crazy to me. Like they were moving everything behind the scene, and by the time that done, this was ready to go. Like that was fascinating to me. I feel like that was the people were doing something that was very good. Like behind the scene people, I don't feel like they get them props enough. You know, something like that. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. But anywho, guys, we are home. You gonna sick again?
No.
I have work to go tomorrow. But we're home and I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video with little clips I'm gonna give now. Alright. And until later, guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like the video.
And share.
And comment. And until later. Bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.